Mountain biking is a great physical activity and a great way to get out in nature. But there are some important things to know before riding. Today I'll be showing you tips and tricks about mountain biking. One of the most important pieces of equipment is a good fitting helmet. If you shake your head and the helmet moves a lot, then it's way too loose. Also make sure the front is not way too high. Make sure it's not too tight that you get a headache, but not too loose that it moves around a lot. It's also important to make sure your seat is a good height. To figure out where it should be, sit on your seat with one foot on a log or a rock. Extend your other leg to the pedal, and your leg should be almost vertical with your heel touching the pedal. Some common features that you'll see on mountain bike trails are rock gardens, free routes, sand pits, narrow gaps between trees, and bridges. One of the most important skills for mountain biking is called posting. Posting is when your pedals and feet are parallel to the ground. Your butt is slightly off the seat, and your knees are soft to help absorb bumps. Things to look for while riding are the smoothest path, other riders' tracks, and firm sides of the trail when there's mud or sand. Mountain biking is a mental challenge as much as it is a physical challenge. These are some things I tell myself when it gets hard. Just go your own pace. You don't need to hurry. Uphills have downhills. I can catch my breath soon. Almost there. Just keep moving. Those are the basics of mountain biking. Yankee Springs Mountain Bike Trail is a great place to begin, and it's pretty close. If you've never tried it, try it and have fun.